Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video it's going to be a review and unboxing of this DRIZZLE D1 spray gun. This is from InnoCraft. Let's open it up, let's see what's inside, let's see how it sprays. Here we go. Now let's open it up. Let's see what's inside. And right away, you're greeted with the user manual right there, guys. This will explain everything about the gun, how to use it. There it is. Next, right away is the gun. I do have a regulator that they do send with the gun. A water separator right there that's connected between the gun and the line. Nice. And you got yourself the D1 InnoCraft paint gun right there, guys. Right now I believe it has, it has a 1.3 tip. It does feel real nice in the hand. Feels awesome in the hand. It's not heavy at all. Like the design of it, really nice gun. Let's continue what else comes in the box. All right, you do have your plastic cup and another box here. Let me remove this out of the way. Right here, guys, you do have your plastic cup. I don't really use these anymore, but it's nice to have. All right, let's open up this little box. Right away, you can see your tools to disassemble, clean. Perfect. And there you go. It comes with 2 more tips. So in total, 3 tips, guys. This one's a 1.5 and a 1.7. And the needles are right there. Your cap, the nozzles is right there. Everything does come for the PPS cups right there, which I'm going to be using. Perfect. Now let's put this gun together, and before you even spray, clean the gun, guys. They do add a little bit of grease just to keep them in shelf. So clean it up before you even start spraying. Let's clean it up and put it together. Let's see how it sprays. So what I'm going to be spraying with this gun, I'm going to be using the 1.3 tip first. Spray this hood. This is for my Nissan hardbody D21 truck. I am going to be applying some epoxy primer. Now, this gun is for paint, for primers, and everything in between. I am going to use it for the epoxy primer. I usually use it with a 1.3 tip. It sprays mostly like a sealer, so that's what I'm going to be doing. Then after that, we're going to change the tip to the 1.7 and apply some primer surfacer. Let's see how that gun performs with the actual primer also. All right, I'll give you a good opinion on it, my opinion on it. If it's good enough, I'm pretty sure it will be, but you'll see for yourself. There you go. The gun has been cleaned. Everything is ready. PPS adapter is there. Let's just mix up that epoxy primer and apply it. Let's see how this gun performs. The epoxy primer that I'm using is from Eurochem EP21 right there, and it's mixed 1-to-1, guys. Everything that is going in my truck, my mini truck, it is going to be from Eurochem. right, my first impressions is I like the way it sprays. I have it wide open, so the pattern is perfect. It's like about I want to say like a 7 or 8 inch pattern. Now, when I was spraying, I don't know, when I came to this side, that you saw that it was like splattering a little bit. That was my fault, guys. I didn't tighten this nozzle right here. The cap, I didn't tighten it enough. It was my fault. It was loosened. Had nothing to do with the gun. It was just a mechanical error by myself. But all in all, it sprayed good. Sprayed really nice, real even, consistent, perfect. So far, so good. I'm gonna be spraying one more coat. Then we're gonna go and try it out with primer also. I have applied 2 coats of the epoxy primer, and I waited 15 minutes in between each coat. So now I need to wait about 1 hour before I can apply the primer surfacer on top of the epoxy. So let's just wait that hour, and I'll bring you back. All right, 1 hour have passed, and I was cleaning the gun, making sure that everything is nice and cleaned for the second thing we're gonna be doing. I placed the 1.7 tip on the gun, and we're good to go. Everything was cleaned, so let's just mix up that primer surfacer and apply it. There it is. The hood is all ready to block sand, and that is how this gun performs, guys. It performs extremely well. Like I mentioned, it got several different tips that you can use, and that's the only gun you need for your project. All right, this is gonna be it, guys. This is gonna be it for this video. This is a review of the DRIZZLE spray gun from InnoCraft. All right, thank you very much, guys. This will be it for this video. Like always, stay safe and God bless.